In a small strip mall off 99E in Salem, you'll find the Marryin County Justice Court.
All right, we're ready.
Every weekday morning, Judge Justin Kidd dons his judicial robe to preside over the day's court proceedings.
All rise. Marryin County Justice Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Kidd is now presiding.
What we do, please be seated. A lot of traffic cases.
Running red lights, speeding.
Issued Miss Olson a citation for speeding.
I was speeding, I will admit, 67, not 76.
They ask you to do a specific job.
Small claims.
Did you test drive the vehicle? But right now I'm telling you what I'm inclined to do, okay?
Evictions.
And the testimony you're about to give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
Okay, please have a seat.
But one day a year, it's less about court
Yes.
and more about courtship. And the only pledge being made on this day
And you will say,
I do.
that's right.
are vows
Right?
of love.
Yes, I do.
I do.
Marriage is a promise made in the hearts of two people. We've set aside the whole day to celebrate love and marriage and the state recognizing the equal dignity of every marriage.
It's Valentine's Day.
February 14th, Marryin County Court becomes Marryin County Court.
Won't ever forget it.
A day of love.
And now, by the authority vested in me by the state of Oregon, I pronounce you to be husband and wife. You may kiss. Yay!
I love you.
On most days when people are in court, it's not the best day of their life.
It's so wonderful to have a day that is just dedicated to love and joy and celebration and all the good things.
12 couples have chosen the day of love to tie the knot.
Getting hitched. Taking the plunge.
Today is the most beautiful day.
Every half hour,
And do you, Sonia? 9:30, a 10. Please place your ring. A 10:30, a 2. And I feel really happy for you. At 3 o'clock, you may kiss.
Judge Kidd even has rings,
Yeah, people of modest means. And so these are just like from Amazon,
all different sizes,
you know, and they cost me maybe $1 a piece, right?
for couples who might need them.
Even though it's just $1, I want them to have that experience. Yeah.
Okay.
From the witness box to the judge's dais,
I love it.
volunteers have festooned the halls of justice with balloon hearts, flowers, and turtle doves. Even a loner bouquet
Isn't that beautiful?
and boutonniere.
So, Mom, do you want to put a boutonniere on your son?
Okay. What's the dealie? Oh, there it is.
Is that too high? I haven't done this before. Well, I did, but I didn't do this part.
Christina Young and Tim Newman have known each other
Third grade. It was mid-third grade. We were kids.
almost their whole lives.
But by the time we rolled around the 6th grade, we did make an attempt at going steady, and that lasted what?
One day.
After marrying others
Yeah.
and divorcing,
Yeah.
they reunited
Oh, let's see here. Let me
and have been
find it.
together
There's Tim.
18 years.
There's Tim.
So why get married now?
Why not? Because she's such a beautiful person, I just say, this is my wife, Christina. Valentine's Day.
February 14th, 2024 on
right.
Weddings Day in Marryin County.
And now, by the authority vested in me by the state of Oregon, I pronounce you to be husband and wife. You may kiss.
Oh, finally. Oh, I love you so much.
We are gathered here today to celebrate
Couple
the marriage
after
of Carl.
couple all day.
Los declaro.
Some
marido y
Spanish-speaking.
mujer. Ustedes pueden besar. Beso.
Celebrating marriage, something Judge Kidd doesn't take for granted.
My husband and I, we've been together for 20 years, and for the first 10 years of our relationship, the state told us no. The courtroom door was barred to us. It's a good day. Mm-hmm. We rented out this pavilion in the park because we were
At their Salem home,
we were poor.
Kidd and his husband Rob Owen reflect on their spiritual church wedding in 2010 in Pittsburgh.
Matching blue vests.
Yeah. Sadly, they do not fit anymore.
Yeah.
But their marriage wasn't recognized legally.
That was a good cake.
That was a good cake.
Yes.
When they moved to Oregon, they had a domestic partnership.
Yeah.
But it still wasn't enough.
I call it like marriage with an asterisk, or
Yeah.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg called it skim milk marriage. Like it looks like marriage, but it's not the full richness that everybody else was entitled to.
When same-sex marriage became legal in 2014, Kidd and Owen raced to the Salem Justice of the Peace.
It just felt like a burden had lifted, the clouds had parted, and
We just wanted to be like everybody else, right? And like the door was open. By the authority vested in me by the
For
state
Judge
board,
Kidd,
and I pronounce you to be husband and wife. You
it's
may
his
kiss.
favorite part of the job.
Come on, Mrs. Newman.
It is really important to me that courts be open and accessible and available to everybody, including people who couldn't marry before. I love you.
On this day of love, in a courtroom of justice,
I love you.
both justice and love prevail.
Married. Yes.
It just makes me so happy. It's the best day of the year. Isn't that beautiful?